Okay, let's get into this quickly. As you know, we've been talking about the DXY a good bit with our technically analysis, and what we see here is that this 96 DXY level that we talked about maybe a week or so ago, where we thought that the DXY would interact with this uptrending short-term level of support. We did talk about the possibility of this breaking down through this short-term uptrending level of support and falling down to the longer-term uptrending level of support. But as of right now, it is sitting directly on that line at 95.997. That's as close as you can get. But what I look to see over the next 3 to 4 days is a recovery for the dollar, which is a significant move of, somewhere close to 1% or a little over 1% from where we're at right now, to hit the 97 DXY target, which is when we should coincide with Bitcoin hitting the $38,000 level that we've been talking about. If we look at Bitcoin, we're still honoring this downtrending level of resistance that we drew a couple of days ago. And when I drew this line for Bitcoin, I wasn't really taking into account how volatile it is in that, you see a lot of sharp up and downs. But I was mainly trying to put a trend out there, and I believe we will fall back into this trend, but likely with a more sudden dump, and possibly directly on Monday the 20th is when we will see this dump. Which is when we would hopefully see the crypto markets bottom out there and be ready for the final leg of the bull run. Over here on ADA, we can see that from this line that I have drawn in, I see it coming down to around the 98 cent level. But if Bitcoin does indeed drop to 38,000, I don't anticipate that a dollar holds for ADA. So I did draw in another target, and the way that I came up with this is I kind of matched this whole movement we see. Let me get my highlighter here. We matched this movement here with what I was seeing here in its previous downtrend before it was able to break out. And to me, it kind of looks like we're somewhere around this point. And if that's the case, then we would look at having around a 26% drop. And if that's the case, we'd be looking around 92 cents as a possible support level. But again, I've also been talking about the possibility of ADA starting to run its own course despite what Bitcoin is doing. And tomorrow I'm going to try to put out my full thesis on why I'm long-term on ADA, and I believe that this will end up being the blockchain that runs most of the world. So I believe I have my evidence put together and my thoughts put together to put that video out tomorrow. So I'll be putting out my long-term ADA thesis tomorrow. So look forward to that. I'm looking forward to doing that video. But this is just some short-term analysis. Everybody be cautious. Have money ready to buy if the market comes down. And if your bags are already packed, hopefully we have a good ride in front of us. Y'all have a good day.